Beautiful. Nice. Good. Excellent. So Laurel, that outer hand follows out. Good. Okay, now the leaning back. We go back first. So I'm going to go to the left. Good. So Sazi and Una, you could maybe spin while you take your fails out there. Yeah, good. Now Maya down. Up. Now flick, 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 and turn Maya again. Cambi coming on. Good. To the head, good. Beautiful. Step, yep. Okay. Good. That looks great. Yep. Clockwise. Clockwise. Oh, okay. It's okay. It's okay. You're gonna practice. Good. Flick. Okay. Front again. Circling to the front. Clockwise. Yep. Perfect. And peeling off, running away. Woo! Lovely.